everybody and welcome to another video from Pacific Resort Rarotonga. Here at Pacific Resort, we pride ourselves on knowing that we take our environmental initiatives very seriously. So in this video, we will show you how we manage our wastewater here at Pacific Resort. STP stands for Sewage Treatment Plant. Everything starts here, from the toilets to the sink and to the laundry. All our runoff water ends up in our STP system that has 4 chambers. In tank number 1, oxygen is pumped into the tank. This helps to separate the good microbes from all the sludge that settles at the bottom. The good microbes float to the top. In the second and third chamber, there are honeycomb racks that give more surface area for the good microbes to cling to. The oxygen that's being pumped into the tank helps the good microbes to grow even more. All the sludge that ends up at the bottom stays at the bottom. Finally, in chamber number 4, all the sludge that is collected at the bottom gets sent away to a larger sewage system plant for further processing and proper disposal. Left behind are the good microbes, which then goes into a separate tank. What remains behind is then pumped throughout the property to all the gardens so that all our flowers and plants can grow. This initiative began in 2002 and takes about $20,000 to maintain and run. But you can't put a price on seeing everyone enjoy everything that we have to offer here at Pacific Resort Rarotonga. So this is why we do it, so everyone can enjoy our little paradise.